To run ad, directing it to your website or blog, just go, first of all, sign into your Facebook page. Then secondly, you go to adsmanager.facebook.com and log in. Once you log in, you'll be logged into your ads manager for the business that you want to run the ads to. Once you come here, you will see all your ads that are already active. But if it is a new ad account, none will be here. Then go to create ad. Once you click on create, then you will choose a preferred objective. And remember, we're looking at sending traffic to a blog or a website. So we'll click on traffic, then you click continue. We're not trying to sell, rather we're sending traffic. Then you go to manual traffic campaign, then you click on continue. Then this is where you start your ad properly. Then here, give your ad a name. So let me give it a name, new Y. Now leave every other thing the way it is. Every other thing, leave it the way it is. Then go to next. I always love giving my ad set the same name. So I come here, also because I gave the other one new Y, I give this one new Y. So new Y, give it a name. Then you come here, you choose your destination. Okay, so because we are sending the traffic to a website, we click on website. But if you are sending it to an app, you click app. Now we click on website, then you come down, you set your ad budget. My ad account is in Naira. Just set your preferred ad budget. Let's say my ad budget is 5,000 Naira. Then here, if you want to schedule the ad, then you schedule the ad to the date you want it to start by just clicking this and selecting the date. Then you click here to select the end date. You can shift the date depending on how many days you want to run the ad. Now I just want to run the ad for 3 days, so I click 11. Now you go down. Once you are done there, you come to your targeting. Who do you want to see your ad? Only people in Nigeria or selected people in a region? If you also want to add some locations, you just go here, you can add Ghana. So once you add Ghana as a country, you click here. So this is where you just set your targeting. If you need a comprehensive video on targeting, give me a comment and I will do a video strictly on that. Now you go down. If you already have a saved audience, you click here and look for the saved audience. Now you go down, then you choose your placement. If you want the automatic placement, you can leave here the way it is. But if you want to select your placement, you just click on that and manually select your placement. It depends on what you want. So click on this place, then you select manual placement. Then if you tick off where you don't want your ads to show. For me, I don't want to waste my money on audience network. Threads is okay. Instagram, Facebook, I want them to see the ad. Messenger, I don't want Messenger. I tick it off. So it depends on what you want, right? Then you go down, you're done. Then you go to next. Once you go to next, remember to rename your ad set. Now I put new Y. I like giving the same name. Once you click on new Y, you come down. Then you select the Facebook page you want to run the ads on. Because I have different Facebook pages here, that is why it is asking me to select. But if you just have one Facebook page, you will just have to select. That one you will not need to select. So I've selected this. Now because it doesn't have a thread profile, so thread will not be included here. You just use Instagram account. Okay, so now this is where I set up my ad. It's either I create a new one or I select from an already existing post. Now, if I want to create a new one, I will leave it at create ad, then come down here and leave it at manual upload. Then I'll come down. They said, is it single image or carousel? Then I will select my creative here. But if I want to use an already existing post, which is what I want to do for this, I'll click here and use existing post. Now when I use existing post, I'll come down here, put the website or the blog I want to send traffic to. Let's say I want to send traffic to this website. So I want to send traffic to this website. So then I'll have to come down. I put the website. Then I will select the post I want to run the ads to. So maybe it's this post or another post. So let me say that I'm selecting this particular post. Now once I select that post, because it doesn't have a context, I'll have to select this. The one with the text. So that's the primary text. I'm not changing anything. Now this is the website that I want to promote. I need to rewrite it. So I'm writing the website again. Now when you're done, you put your call to action. Call to action is very important. What do you want people to do when they come to the ad? Is it to contact, to get an offer? Whatsoever you want them to do is what you to subscribe, to sign up, what you're sending them for. So I'll have to put get access. Okay, so now they will say, is it a WhatsApp button? Is it I'll say none. So that means here you can put either a WhatsApp link, a WhatsApp website. Maybe you are sending them to your group, WhatsApp group, or anything, depending on what you want to add here, your add-on. But I said none. So you can add anything for yourself. So here you publish here. But if you see something like this here, you will know that there is an error in the ad that you already made. You click on it, then you will now check what is the error there. What is the error? Now they're telling you that it cannot deliver on 7 places. So it's either you change the post, or you remove the places. When you see something like this, you can't run ads on it too. So now I'll have to select a particular post that I can run ads on. Let's say I'm selecting this. So once I select this, I click on continue. Now you see that it's remaining just 1 out of 7. So you just still click on this to see what is wrong with that particular one. Then you just change it and make it okay. So error 1, error, Facebook right column. So what you do next to solve this is you go back to your placement. When you go back to your placement, you see manual placement, right? So you will look for the column, right column, it is this, you tick it off since your ad cannot show there, because without ticking it off, your ad will not run. So once you tick it off, you go back and check if you still have an error. You see all errors has been resolved. So after this now, you just click on publish and your ad will be published. And your ad will be published. And you see your ad will be published in less than no time.